Hello and welcome to this week's Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 6th of March 2024. Last week we went long the volatility index, the VIX, and as you can see here on the daily financial bet, we got in at a perfect level around 1459, and since then we've had an upsurge in volatility. So either you can cash in your profits now, or perhaps what you can also do is just raise your stop loss level to just above your entry level, and thereby you have a potentially risk-free trade on. And in that case you can let this position run, and perhaps the volatility index will rise further in the next few days towards the 200-day simply moving average here at 1612. That is a distinct possibility, as we've got Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech later on today, and also the European Central Bank tomorrow, which may create some volatility in the financial markets. Now, this week, what I would like to do is to look at Chicago front-month wheat futures prices, because I can see here we have fallen through this key support zone, which has held since September of last year between 552 and 557. And now that we've closed below there yesterday, we have a valid break of that major support area. And if I zoom out onto a monthly chart, you can see here that the downtrend has been in place since March of 2022. And the fact that we've now fallen through this key support area means that we could head all the way back down again towards the psychological 500 mark, or even lower than that. Which is why I would like to jump on the bandwagon of this downtrend and basically go short Chicago wheat front-month futures contracts. So this week's Trading the Trend is to go short Chicago wheat futures and do so on a minor bounce back towards the 552 mark, with a stop loss at 595 and a downside target just above the psychological 500 area.